In today's video, we're actually going to look at a short setup in CELG. And the reason why we're looking at that is because it is clearly below the 200 simple, below the 50, and we're looking at a bearish pattern of lower lows and lower highs. So if the downtrend is going to reassert itself, then this is the area where we should see, a rollover or a failure from. And I have seen not a buy trigger, a sell trigger against this decision. So this is the way it works. We know what the risk is. I've got the definition of risk with this first zone at 93.23 to 94.18. If you go down to a 15-minute chart, there was a sell trigger, and the sell trigger looks like this when you have both the moving average crossover to the downside along with taking out a prior swing low. Okay, that's the signal that you can look at the short side and define your risk either above the high that was made prior to the trigger or above the high end of the zone, which in this case I'm going to call 94.18. So it has triggered. I actually just bought a put, and I'm going to have my risk definition above 94.18. So if it goes back above 94.18, I will get out. I'll exit that put. But if it does start to play out, then let's see, I'm going to look for at least the potential to pull back to the 618 retracement. But if the bearish pattern continues, which is lower lows and lower highs, then the typical target is going to be the 1272 extension of the prior swing. So that would give us, let's see, potential downside target at 84.64. So the risk, which is just above here, to the potential reward, which is at least here, is pretty good on this trade setup. And like I said, I don't know if it's going to play out or not. There are definitely setups that I identify every single day that are violated and they don't work. Sometimes they're just never triggered, and sometimes they are triggered, but they just, turn out to be losing trades. But this is the way that if you follow trade setup plus trigger equals entry, that's actually the best way to make money with this work. And this is one of those setups.